I'm going to break down the basics of SQL in a way that's super easy to follow, so you'll feel confident querying databases by the end of this video. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a crucial skill in today's data-driven world. If you're interested in pursuing a career in data science, business intelligence, or even web development, you'll need to learn SQL to unlock the secrets of databases. Imagine being able to extract valuable insights from massive datasets, identify trends, and make informed decisions to drive business growth. That's what SQL can do for you, and it's an essential skill in today's job market. As data becomes increasingly important for businesses, the demand for SQL experts is skyrocketing. By learning SQL, you'll not only enhance your career prospects but also open up new opportunities in various industries. However, many people think that SQL is only for tech-savvy individuals or those with a strong programming background. But that's not true. With the right approach, anyone can learn SQL and start working with databases. One of the biggest myths about SQL is that it's a complex and dry subject. While it's true that databases can be overwhelming, SQL is actually a simple and intuitive language once you understand the basics. Another misconception is that you need to be a seasoned programmer to learn SQL. But the truth is, SQL is a declarative language, which means you don't need to know how to program to use it. You simply need to specify what you want to retrieve from the database, and SQL takes care of the rest. Many beginners struggle to get started with SQL because they don't know where to begin. They might feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of resources available online or get discouraged by the technical jargon used in tutorials. Others might think that SQL is only useful for simple tasks, like retrieving a list of customers or updating a few records. But the truth is, SQL is a powerful tool that can help you solve complex problems, identify patterns, and gain valuable insights from large datasets. Another challenge beginners face is the lack of practical experience. They might learn the theory behind SQL, but they don't know how to apply it to real-world scenarios. This is why hands-on practice is essential to mastering SQL. The good news is that, with the right resources and practice, anyone can become proficient in SQL. You don't need to be a genius or have a background in computer science to learn SQL. You just need to be willing to put in the effort and start practicing. Let's explore the fundamental concepts of SQL, including basic commands like select, insert, update, and delete. These commands are the building blocks of SQL, and they'll help you retrieve, modify, and manage data in your database. The select command is used to retrieve data from a database table. It's one of the most common commands in SQL, and it's essential for extracting valuable insights from your data. Imagine you're working for an e-commerce company, and you need to retrieve a list of customers who have placed an order in the last 30 days. You can use the select command to specify the columns you want to retrieve, the table you want to retrieve them from, and the conditions that must be met. The insert command is used to add new data to a database table. It's a powerful command that allows you to populate your database with new records, which can then be used for analysis or reporting. The update command is used to modify existing data in a database table. It's useful for correcting errors, updating customer information, or changing product prices. The delete command is used to delete data from a database table. It's a powerful command that requires caution, as it permanently removes data from your database. SQL is a highly expressive language that allows you to perform complex operations using simple commands. By combining these commands, you can solve complex problems and gain valuable insights from your data. Let's take a look at a simple yet compelling demonstration of a database query that yields meaningful insights. Imagine you're working for a company that sells products online, and you want to identify the top-selling products in the last quarter. Using SQL, you can write a query that retrieves the top 10 products by sales revenue, grouped by product category. This query would involve using the select command, the group by clause, and the order by clause. The results would show you which product categories are performing well, which products are the most profitable, and where you need to focus your marketing efforts. SQL is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you solve complex problems, identify trends, and make informed decisions. By mastering the basics of SQL, you'll be able to unlock the secrets of your database and gain valuable insights from your data. To recap, we've covered the importance of SQL in today's data-driven world, the common misconceptions about learning SQL, the fundamental concepts of SQL, and a simple demonstration of a database query that yields meaningful insights. Remember, the key to mastering SQL is practice, practice, practice. Don't be discouraged if it takes time to learn. With persistence and dedication, you can become proficient in SQL and start working with databases like a pro. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to leave a comment below about your experiences with SQL. If you're new to SQL, share what inspired you to start learning, and if you're a seasoned pro, share your favorite SQL tricks and tips. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive into advanced SQL techniques.